The European Union's top court has ordered Hungary to pay a fine of €200 million over an extremely serious breach of EU asylum law. The European Court of Justice (ECJ) on Thursday ruled that Hungary had persistently been breaking the bloc's asylum law despite a previous ruling. Budapest will have to pay an additional €1 million for every day going forward if it fails to comply. Top EU judges in 2020 had found Hungarian asylum rules limiting access to international protection and illegally detaining migrants. In response to that ruling, the Hungarian government chose the opposite solution, according to this lawyer.
Unfortunately, the Hungarian government has decided to completely ignore it. What's more, actively working against it, establishing its domestic rules, which were completely against European Union legislation, and to add insult to injury, it has been constantly communicating about intentionally doing this. I think this is one of the reasons which gives its special profile to this case.
The European Commission, with which Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban has been engaged in a years-long showdown, said it would reach out to Budapest to inquire about how the country intends to comply with the EU law. The penalty can even be withheld from the country's EU funds.
And if the payment is still not made, then the Commission resorts to what we call the offsetting procedure, which in practice means that we deduct the amount concerned from an upcoming transfer towards the budget of towards the country concerned.
Reacting to Thursday's ruling, Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban described the court's decision as outrageous and unacceptable. Writing on Twitter, he said it seemed illegal migrants were more important to bureaucrats in Brussels than European citizens. Orban's anti-immigrant government has taken a hard line on people entering the country since well over 1 million people entered Europe in 2015, most of them fleeing conflict in Syria. The ECJ described Hungary's level of violation of the law as unprecedented in European jurisprudence.